Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you're on the branch you intend to rewrite. Run git status and git branch to confirm. Once done, create a local backup branch or a bundle so you can recover if needed. This is fast and safe. Next, decide whether you will erase commits locally only or also overwrite the remote with a force push. That choice changes commands and risk. Make sure to pause and verify remote name and branch before proceeding to destructive steps. You will now create a new root commit and remove history. Check out an orphan branch, add all files you want, then git commit to produce a fresh root. After that, delete the old branch name and rename the orphan to your original branch so history appears gone locally. Once completed, aggressively expire reflogs and run git gc to prune unreachable objects. This reduces chance of recovering old commits on disk. Be careful. These steps permanently remove reachable history from the repository. You finish by force pushing the rewritten branch to the remote to replace history. Use git push force origin branch. Once pushed, verify with git ls remote and git fetch prune to ensure the old refs are gone. If something goes wrong, immediately stop and restore from the backup branch or bundle you made earlier using git branch restore and git checkout, or git pull from a safe clone. One troubleshooting tip: if hooks or CI reject force pushes, coordinate with admins or use protected branch workarounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.